welcome to join our today's Felicity's product introduction and training seminar. And good morning, good afternoon. Anyway, no matter where you're from, welcome to join us seminar today. Okay. Today our topic is the Felicity Solar Lithium Battery. Okay. And here is the content of today's seminar. First, let me introduce to you the Felicity Solar Lithium Battery product. And number two, the difference of different models. And number three, the precaution of lithium battery usage. And number four, and BMS communication with inverters. Here, part of content we already talked before, but something is new, like the first one. BMS communication with inverters. Okay, so let's start today's training. Okay. First is the Felicity Solar Lithium Battery introduction. We have three type of models of the lithium battery. First one is LPPR series. LPPR we have like this one you can see 12 volts, 24 volts, and the 48 volts. Okay, and so from 12 to 48, LPPR all have this voltage, and this is the parameters of the 12 volts LPPR 12 volts. Okay, 12 volt currently we have 12 volt 150 amps and hours models. Okay, and then this LPPR 24 to 28. Here I just show part of this 24 or 48. Like here I shared 2450, 4850. And here is 24,300 8 hours, amp hours, sorry. Okay. And this is LPPR 48. This is LPPR 48 300 amp hours. Please mute. Okay. So here is this one is 15 kilowatt hours battery, and the next type of is the LPBF, LPBF ES. Okay, this is the currently we're selling. Previously the old version is LPBF. Okay, now is LPBF S is 24 and 48 volts we have, and here is the parameters. Okay, here you can check these parameters in the, no matter it's LPPR or LPBF, you can check in the in our catalog or in the user menu. So some users might ask us, how should we set the charge current or charge voltage? Actually, you can set based on this form, like here, normal voltage range, and this charging discharging current here also have the recommended value. And here you can, if you want to check the set the charging current. For example, if your battery is 48 volt battery, so you can set like this one, 57.6. This is the one. Okay, so all the parameters you can set based on this, or you can check the user manual. Okay, here I have mentioned also 1 to 6 piece in parallel. This is parallel piece. Okay, and the third series is LPPA. LPPA will have two types of models now. One is LPPA 4800 amp hours. That means it's 5 kilowatt hours. Okay, and next is 58 170 amp. Okay, So this one I showed you LPPA. This is one is LPPA 48 150 160 sorry. No, sorry. It's 170 this one 48 volts 170 amps. Okay, and so what's the difference of these different series? So I made a form to let you know quickly. Okay, so LPPR, LPBF, and LPPA. And normally first one is the difference of the connection. The LPPR, for all these LPPR, LPBF, LPPA, all these series for the 24 or 48 batteries, they only support parallel connection. But for the LPPR, 12 volt is different. LPPR 12 volt can support both uh, string or series connection and parallel connection. Okay, but this for the 24 and 48 volt only support parallel. Okay, and the maximum quantity we recommend is six piece. Okay, LPBF, LPBA. So and the life, the LPPR is more than 2500, uh, under 80% of DOD, and LPBF more than 3000, under 80% DOD, and PPA is more than 6000, under 80% of DOD. Okay, and for the BMS, all the lithium battery we have the built-in BMS, but the type of BMS is different. Like LPPR, the BMS is not support communication currently, but in the future we are use the support communication version, and now LPBF and LPPA both support communication. Okay. So as last part, I will introduce you how to use this communication, BMS communication with Felicity Solar inverter or other brand. Okay, and the last different part is the warranty. LPBR is 2 years warranty, and LPBF is 3 years warranty, and LPPA is 5 years warranty. Okay, so here is the difference of these different series, lithium series. Okay, so you can from this form, you can get the main difference of these batteries. Okay, of course, these different models, their price is also different. So if you're interested to any model, to any M model, you can ask the contact our sales. Okay, so this is the LPPR, LPBF, and LPPA differences. Okay, and the next part is the precaution of lithium battery usage. Means when you install the system, what you should to pay attention. Okay, the first is please reference user manual when you install batteries. Means when you install the batteries, please check the user manual. Okay, it will be have some useful advice or other things you should attention. Okay, and the second, please make sure terminal connection well and tight. This is very important. Okay, especially the positive negative polar, the part, the screw you have to make sure is tight. Okay, and the third, series connection not allowed. It only in parallel. This I just mentioned in the form of the different batteries comparison. So only 12 volt supports series and parallel connection, which means like if you have if you want to use the 12 volt lithium battery, you can connect like 2 piece or 4 piece for single string, and then you can parallel 2 strings or 4 strings. Like it means you can use these 12 lithium batteries. You can use 8 piece or 12 piece, and each string is 4 piece. Then it's four piece string, single string, and 3 parallels like this. So it supports the series and parallel connection. Okay, but for 24 and 48 only supports parallel connection. So the first one, DIP must be set when multiple batteries connection. So it means if you have more than 1 piece, and if you when you install it, please set the DIP. So later I will show you how to set the DIP. Okay, DIP switch. The last one is new and old batteries or different models cannot parallel to use. Okay, actually, this question many users or the installers they are interested. Like they will ask, can I mix they both 48? Okay, they both 48 volts, but this one is 150 mAh, and next the another part is 200 or 100 mAh. So can I mix to use or combine them? So normally here we said you cannot pair to use them. Okay, this is a different mode. Okay, and new and old batteries means they are same. They are same model, exactly same models. But the first one, the previous one, you already used like more than 6 months or 5 months, like this. So, but you think the battery bank is not support, it's not sufficient. It's insufficient for you. So you want add one more. So this is means new and old batteries. Okay, they are the same models, but one is new, one is old. So here in this situation, if the old one you only use for 1 or 2 months, so it might be no problem. It's okay. You can add, you can extend your battery bank. But if more than like 5 or 6 months later, you want to add one more, we also do not suggest do that because after 5 or 6 months, the resistance of these battery cells is different with the new one. So if you combine them, it will be cause to the unbalance of the batteries. So we said the new and old batteries are different models, cannot parallel use. Okay. Here is I show you the DIP switch. Okay, 2 battery parallel. You can see here where you can find you can find this DIP switch at the, I think it's left or right side of the battery. You will see the SW. This is switch. Like if you have 2, you need to turn on 1 and 5, turn it on, and the second one you just only turn on the 2. Okay, the 2. So if you after you set this, you need to restart the battery. Okay, to let the BMS board to recognize it again. Okay, this is a third piece. Sorry, 3 piece. 3 batteries parallel, 1 and 5 and 2 and 1 and 2. This is 4, 1, 5, 2 and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can have a look at this part. And this is a 6 piece. And 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 3. Okay, this is the 5 piece and this is 6 piece. So you can follow this. And actually, you can find this form in your user manual. Our lithium battery user manual has the guide you how to set this DIP switch. You can check the user manual form. Okay, this is 6 piece. You can follow this. Okay, this is the multiple batteries connection. Okay. And the last part is the BMS and inverter communication. Here, nowadays, more and more customers introduce this. Okay, so first is uh, Felicity Solar IEM series, means we have the IVM 3 kilowatts and 5 kilowatts. Um, it can, because both battery and inverters is from Felicity. Of course, they can communicate, and after communicate, you only can use the you only need to use the inverter monitoring, like the Wi-Fi or 4G monitoring, to monitoring all the system information, panels information, battery information, inverter running station, everything. Okay, your load consumption, everything. Okay, so Felicity Solar, and based on the second, based on and second, the third is based on our the market requirement. We have a lot of customers. They use the and the grow inverter. Okay, so they also want to use the communication. So we did the second development of the BMS and inverter communication. So now we also support the and the grow. So, but for the you can check this left part of the picture. Okay, this one. So we only support this part. The LCD is like this. Only support this because this is same. Okay, all this same. And this one is the third one is grow out SPF series. In the market now, in the market we know the most offline inverter of grow out is the SPF 5 kilowatt ES, I think. Okay, so both of now we support the battery BMS communication. Okay, so how to set that? We also did a video to guide you. You can follow this. I can show you a short of a part of to you. I can show you something like this video. You might cannot hear this the voice, but I will. If you want, I can send to this video to you or upload to our YouTube channel. Here I can just show you as part of this. Okay, this one we connected the four-piece batteries with the grow out inverter. Okay, and this is the cable, communication cable. This is a special cable. If you need this, you need to tell the sales to attach this cable with your shipment. Okay, this is the setting. Setting. Select the Lee. Sorry. So first we need to select the Lee, the battery type Lee. Yes, select Lee, and then select the 04, L04. Okay, then it's done. Okay. But when you connect our batteries grow out, you have to connect this cable with the battery address number one, means the first you have to connect the inverter with the first battery. Okay. This is the test. We are testing is communication or not. So we plug out the cable. It will have the communication of a normal fault. You will see. See. 0421. This is the BMS communication of a normal fault. Then we recover the cable. Okay, it's disappeared. Okay, so this is the grow out, and then is the next part is the delay. So here we tested by 6 piece. Generally, the communication, the DIPC set is almost the same like the grow out. As I explained before, if you have multiple battery, you have to set the DIP switch, then connect the communication cable. So you can use the same cable. Felicity is a special cable. You can use the same one with the grow out. And input the BMS port. Then you need to set the battery lithium. Select the lithium type. Okay. Then set the address, the lithium mode 12. This one you need to set 12. Okay, here set 12. Okay, then you will see the batteries information here. We have 6 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece. So it's showing 6 piece batteries information here. Okay, battery voltage, current, temperature, SOC. Okay. Okay. So this is the sorry. So here I just show you the delay and growth setting, but Felicity Solar is more simply because it's our original designed product. So it just needs to select the lithium battery type. Okay, and if you want this video, you can ask you can contact our sales. Okay, I will send these videos to you, including Felicity Solar IVEM series. Okay, so that's all today. So if you have any questions, you can free to ask now regarding the batteries or other our product.
Felicity Solar makes life full of hope.